Hi, my name is Brandon Luther.
My name is Brent Luther.
My twin brother Brent and I at Creative Color, we've worked on all kinds of different projects together with big names like New Bohemia, Trailer Park, Indeed Brewing. We get to work on a lot of cars as well. We do custom wraps here, paint wraps, as well as corporate wraps.
I'm the owner and a creative director here at Creative Color. I like to kind of oversee the project with a lot of my designers and stuff. We get to work on all kinds of different cool things, from logos to signs to full branded environments.
For me, I've always been huge into art. Just have a very creative mind. And being able to work at Creative Color gives me the outlet to express myself on every palette. I'm shooting photography, I'm working graphic design, and I'm also going to the back of the shop and hands-on working on stuff. It gives me a great variety to keep my creativity expanded on a daily basis.
Being creative, I think it's really important to do what you love. I love to illustrate and I love to design, and I am really passionate in my work. And coming here every day, doing what I love, work does not feel like work. And I think that's what life's all about.
I first got my degree in applied visual arts. I've always been big into hands-on drawing and painting, and it was a wonderful degree, but I always had some inspiration of learning how to do that as well on the computer. Plus there's a lot more jobs in the job market for graphic design than there is for the hands drawings and paintings. DCTC prepared me to be ready for the world after having my degrees in both the photography and the applied visual arts. Teachers were wonderful at the school. That was my favorite aspect of being taught there. I did research originally. Everything that we heard about DCTC, they had just a wonderful program, especially in graphic design. Working with the teachers there, they taught us not only how the software works, but they prepared us to know what the job market entails when you're actually out in the environment.
The thing about DCTC that I always loved is I felt it really prepared me for the environment of what I need to get into. From hiring employees and having interns here that have gone to other different art colleges, it's been really interesting because I felt like DCTC taught me the tools and let me be the designer that I wanted to be. Where a lot of these other schools, I feel like they're kind of telling them how they need to be, and they haven't really given them the tools and education they need to make themselves grow as a designer.
Any advice that I can give to future students that want to get into the career, learn the software as best as you can. There's a lot of detail when it comes into shortcut keys, which can help save time, as well as just learning all the different file codes and what they do. That's a huge aspect of the industry, and if you don't know that, that hurts. Knowing the difference between CMYK and RGB, being able to set files up for print, it's huge. You use it on a day-to-day basis, and it's what can save you a lot of money or cost you a lot of money if you mess it up.
Piece of advice to any new students: take your education seriously. It's not high school. You don't want to just get through it. This is what makes you who you are and gives you the tools that you need to excel in the future. Build your portfolio, make yourself shine, and stand out in this world.
I would highly recommend, first of all, Dakota County Technical College as a college to look and take serious. They have an amazing program with wonderful teachers.